you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I got a super voluminous, defined, and moisturized braid out using my own brand Goddess Curls hair products. So I have already washed and conditioned my hair off camera, so I'll link everything that I used down below in the description box. But yeah, my hair is clean, it is conditioned, and it's ready to be styled. So of course I am going to be using my Divine Hair Elixir and my new Enchanting Moisture Cream for this braid out. And you guys, it came out so flawless, so just stay till the end of the video to see the results. Now y'all know I gotta go in with my Divine Hair Elixir onto my scalp to make sure it's nice, moisturized, flake-free, itch-free, and it's also gonna help with hair growth. Plus it is made with peppermint oil, so it just feels really good on the scalp and it just smells really, like, you know, real good. So yeah, I just massage that into my scalp, and I also like to add some around my hairline and edges because I mean gotta make sure the edges are full. So this is what my hair is starting out like. Since it's starting, you know, the water is starting to disappear, it's starting to dry out, so I need to go in with my Enchanting Moisture Cream. It smells nice and fruity, and it's made with some really great ingredients. You guys know, first, I'm going to spray my hair on down with water. I do recommend to use this product with damp or wet hair. I personally prefer, you know, nice, wet, drenched hair. I just get the best results. Detangle it with my Tangle Teaser. Make sure there aren't any knots and things in my hair, and then I'm going to add some of the Enchanting Moisture Cream. And I know a lot of you have been noticing that my products are free of coconut oil and almond oil. As somebody who is allergic to fish, to tree nuts, etc., I wanted to just personally make sure that I avoided those ingredients in my products for those of you who do have those allergies and still, you know, want some nice moisturizing products. So I worked that onto my hair and it just left my hair nice, soft, defined. Some of the key ingredients are, of course, aloe vera juice, shea butter, sunflower oil, has castor oil. But if you guys want the entire ingredient list, then go to the website goddessscurls.com just to make sure, you know, it's something that you would want to use. But it is free of petroleum, mineral oil, harsh alcohols, etc. So then I'm just going to braid my hair on up, y'all. And when I braid my hair for a braid out, I try my best. Of course, I can't always get it perfect, but I try my best to have 3 equal parts. That just helps me to get a nice, seamless, flawless, you know, braid out. And I like to detangle as I work my way down just to make sure the hair is smooth. And once I get to the ends, I like to either twist it or I'll just coil it around my finger. So I'm just gonna speed through this so you guys can see the process. I just literally repeated the exact same steps all around, but I did just want to mention that this is for all hair types, especially those who are dealing with damaged curls, dry curls. You want something that's going to moisturize your hair but also give you hold, no flakes, etc. So definitely give it a try, you guys, if you're, you know, wanting to try something new or just solely want to support me.
Sun
So this is my hair completely braided up. I did 11 braids, I believe. Typically I do 8, which are a little bit chunkier, so I wanted to go for a bit more of a defined look. I sat underneath my hooded dryer for about 30-45 minutes and then air dried the rest overnight. And this is the next day. My hair, y'all, my hair was just a little bit wet because I took them out earlier than I usually do, but I still got some flawless results. So anyways, yeah, I'm just going, or I took some oil to my hands just to help reduce frizz, and now I'm going to take down unravel the braids so you guys can see the definition before I separate. And my hair was just shiny, it was soft, it was defined. This is a product that you can use all on its own. It can be a one product stop, but like I said, play around with it. You can still choose to use a leave-in under it. You can use a mousse or a gel on top. It's all up to you, but I just did want to show you guys that this can be used all on its own. As someone who likes to have the least amount of steps when it comes to my natural hair, it was super important for me to have a product that, you know, didn't need anything else to deliver good results. So now I'm just going to separate. I'm going to speed past this part really quickly as well, but just taking small pieces of hair, making sure to take the pieces that like naturally loosen up and fall apart. That helps to, you know, reduce frizz as well. So this is the end result, you guys, and I was so in love with this braid out. Like, not only was I just happy with the softness, the definition, the shine, all of that, but it was the volume for me, the length. Like, my hair is really just transforming before my eyes. When I big chopped, I liked it for maybe a couple months, but then after that I was like, okay, I need my hair back, and it's back. I love it. So anyways, yeah, make sure you get some Goddess Curls products, you guys. You will not regret it. Your hair is gonna love it, I promise. So link will be down below, www.goddessscurls.com. Pick up my Divine Hair Elixir, my Enchanting Moisture Cream. We also have a Radiant Body Elixir. I'm getting beside myself. But the last clip, I did want to show you what my 4th day braid out looked like, and it still looked really, really good. Still was holding on to its moisture. So I am gonna have a video showing a week in my braid out coming soon, so you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm talking a lot. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.